Another wonderful day, babies, and another travel vlog.
Let's go for a picnic, guys. Hello! So it's a sunny day. Let's go for a picnic. So after 5 days of working, let's say 5 days because I just had 1 day in between. 1 day off in between. Serve to have a picnic today. So i-meet natin si Beshi, Christine.
Another travel tip, you don't have to buy coffee outside. You can make your own coffee. Just buy your own thermal container.
Burger King, bibili lang tayo ng breakfast kasi wala pang breakfast. Para makainin tayo sa bus. And papunta na rin si Beshi, Christine. See you later. Beshi, wala sama ng mukha mo.
Ay! Sorry! Ano, naghanap ako ng Burger King?
Beshi, wow! So, sombrero mo naman sa airport
Dala
mo.
ko.
So, magpipiknik po
Actually,
tayo.
akala ko hindi matutulog.
Magpipiknik kami! We have a coffee. Hindi niya dala ang baso niya. Sad for her.
There is two options going to Greystone Station. First, you can choose the DART, the easy way, or you can choose a bus po using a C3 bus. If you really love nature, Ireland is really for you. Travel time is 50 minutes, so you must have with you your snacks and syempre, yung kamarites mong beshi. And we are just on time. We're here in Greystone Station. Now, it's time to hunt for a restaurant to have our lunch. Dami po sanang option, kaya lang yung iba sarado pa. And we found our first restaurant. Hindi nga lang kami natuloy kasi nagmamadali kami. This is the type of restaurant na para talaga sa nagpapalipas lang ng oras. Even willing to wait.
Here's the thing. You wait for your queue to take your order. You wait for your queue for your order. And you wait for the queue for your bill.
And this is our second restaurant.
Besh, baka matigas lang. Try mo. I-open mo.
Hanggang hindi namin alam kung saan yung entrance.
Pakita tayo ni Kuya. Chinese restaurant na lang tayo. This is the way.
And finally, we found a good diner. Gutom na yarn.
Like, we don't need to wait. Ano ba naman itong...
Siyempre, bago kumain, mandatory picture and video muna. Food vlogger yan. Pero yung totoo, mas gutom talaga si Beshi. Gawa ko pa ngang mag-picture and mag-video, samantala siya, kain na kain na. Thank you po for the food. Halina't simulan na natin.
Don't worry, wala pa ba?
And we're done. Punong-puno na po kami ng energy para gumala. Finally, after po naming maligaw, narating na rin namin yung Harbor Marina Port. First time lang po talaga naming puntahan to at nakita lang namin along the way yung fields of gold. That time na lang din kami nag-decide na doon namin gustong pumunta.
Happy yarn. Yung, ano...
1 hour yan sa atin kasi Pilipino ko. Pwede pasok.
Besh, kaya ko pang i-achieve yun. Pero mag-adjust ako para sa'yo.
Si isa lang na-realize ko, dapat pala pag maglo-long walk ka, humanap ka ng kasama na mas machika pa sa'yo nang hindi nyo nararamdaman
Oh,
yung
Akil.
oras.
Hoy, Beshi! Pilipino yung kasama mo, ha? Okay. Kaliit-liit na pawala-kalit ng mga ko.
Katawa lang, kasabayan namin yan sila kuya kanina, pabalik na sila, papunta pa lang kami. Diyan nga pala kami pupunta sa Fields of Gold. Patagal ng patagal nga at mas dumadami yung mga kasama namin naglo-long walk. Kaso ang bilis talaga nila at naiiwan talaga kami.
Only one person can pass.
What?
Wow. Laki, ah. Pakipot na po ng pakipot yung daan at hindi na po namin alam. At may nakalagay po ng high voltage. Wala, nag-disappear sila.
And yay! Finally, we made it to our destination.
Field of gold. It's a sea of gold. Sana mo lang po Yay! Finally! Yay! Bye, guys!
And of course, our mandatory TikTok entry. Simple reminder to everyone, and of course to myself, life is too short. Laugh, travel, and enjoy as long as it lasts. And find your travel buddy na mas bangag pa sa'yo.
Running in here.
Yeah! Living in Ireland. Of course, magpapayong ako. Tsaka, ang hirap kaya magpaputi. Trot, mag-make a wish daw tayo.
What?
Wait, I'm gonna think.
Grabe yung lalim. Okay.
Sumayaw ko.
May kumano ko mo. Nalamunan ko. Okay, we're done! Beshi! Buhay pa ba? Buhay pa ba? We're so glad na pumunta po kami dito sa Braystone. Braystone ba? Braystone. Happy na pumunta kami sa Sea of Gold. Binagong pangalan.
Wala po talagang dull moment sa lakwatsang to. Tawa kami ng tawa, kaya ata ako kinabag.
Beautiful life. Oh, oh. It's a beautiful life. Oh, oh.
At ayun na nga po, unti-unti nang bumaba yung level ng energy ko.
Pa natin si Beshi ng purusan.
Alam mo, hindi ko mahanap sa Google kung nasaan tayo.
Ito ba?
Kasi kanina, ay no, ito kaya pala. Imagine mo nga ako, net. Ayun no, zero coverage.
Ito.
Time check, it's 7 o'clock, so time na para bumalik ng city center. At ayan nga, minimaintain ko na lang yung energy level ko para umabot pa ako sa city. Siyempre, magdi-dinner na po tayo para hindi na tayo kakain pag-uwi ng bahay. Of course, you heard me right, dinner. Pero may araw pa, ganyan talaga pag summer dito sa Ireland. Late talaga dumidilim, kaya ang haba talaga ng lakwatsa time. And that's it for our travel today. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in our next vlog. Bye! Click like and subscribe for more travel videos.